Yay! We are live! Good afternoon, everyone. And
Hi,
this is
Dina.
and the other one is
Sandy.
yes, guys. We are here in Argilan Castle at the moment. We just want to stroll around and show them this place because they just arrived a week ago, more than a week ago, here in Ireland to work. So, napakasarap po ng panahon dito ngayon.
Ang refreshing.
Yes, refreshing. What can you say?
This place is so nice and speechless.
Speechless.
I'm so speechless right now. I'm sorry because of the cold.
So, ayun, nagkakasiyahan
How
po kami.
about you, Dina?
Yes.
That's why I cannot talk properly. It's getting cold.
We're running out of English.
So, ngayon po, we are running out of English, kaya tatagalogin na muna.
Tagalogin na lang namin.
So, ayan po, I'm just grateful po to meet them from different places. They came from
Samar.
and
Pangasinan.
Pangasinan. So, we met here because Dina's uncle is my college friend and classmate. So, that's why we're able to meet her here. So, ginagala po namin sila kasi they are going to start work soon on Monday. Hi, anak. Kumusta? So, ayan, na-meet mo na sila. Oh, si Dina and si Sanli. Ayan. So, nandito po kami. And we are just enjoying the surroundings and the fresh air. Napakasarap po ng pakiramdam na during weekend, since you know my story, that before I was working in retail and hospitality industries, and I really don't have time to enjoy my weekend with my family dahil nga po busy days ang mga weekends sa mga retail and hospitality. So, I'm just gaining my freedom through my online business, guys. So, andito po kami sa ngayon, and ngayon po, paiba-iba yung weather. Naging ano po, kanina cloudy, rainy, ngayon naging sunny, ngayon cloudy uli. So, what can you say about Ireland, Dina?
Ireland,
Tagalogin mo na lang siya, para okay.
parang 1 week, more than 1 week pa lang naman po kami dito. Pero yung way ng living is okay siya compare sa ibang bansa na napuntahan ko. May
Tama.
life balance.
Yes.
Life and work balance.
Imagine guys, she already, nakikita niya yung ganda ng bansa na to, na may work-life balance. Kaya po, I'm just grateful na napunta sila dito. Kesa dun sa iba talaga, lalo na sa US, oh my goodness. So, ayun po, yun lang po, and I'm just saying hi and just showing you my newfound friends and yes. And dito po kami maglalakwatsa ulit kami for the day para maipasyal namin sila sa mga castles and iba pang lugar. So, yun lang po, and salamat po, and I hope you are all keeping well and you are enjoying your day. Kahit nasaan man kayo, nasa work or nasa bahay. And ingat po kayong palagi. And sa mga tao pong nanonood, kindly comment below where you are watching us from and doon po sa mga manonood ng replay. So, lang comment po. So, maraming salamat po and ingat po kayong palagi dyan. God bless. Bye!